some of that cookie. Some of that cookie. Shit. Hello? What do you look like? Where are you? Oh, you look the same. I guess everything looks the same. Except for that's wool. Come on, bandit, let's go. Back home. Da-na, na-na, na-na-na-na. Ah! Oh, he's about to attack you. Dun. Wait, what is this? Dun. Sand? Oh, my house looks pimped out. Thank you, texture pack.
Texture pack.
Even though some of your stuff looks so derpy, thank you. You just made my house not look that much whack anymore. Sorry about the noise, it's too loud. Oh, look at that. That does not look whack anymore. Oh, look at that.
It's like a futuristic house.
Yes, but look at that. That's the lapis glowstone lapis stone door. Oh, that's my cake. Picture, I guess. Oh, that's what the diamond looks like. That's what the diamond block looks like. Iron block, lapis lazuli block. Potions look kind of the same. Golden stand, looks painted, smooth beds. Yeah. Let's see, cauldron looks like the same. The book switched. Oh! Oh, look at that! It looks so cool! I wonder what it looks like!
Another?
Look at that Mass Effect. Oh. Kind of the same cruddy old nether.
We're at the ghast.
There is no gas, because I wanted to show the showcase in peaceful mode.
Oh.
Because all the animals and stuff will look the same. Let me just say that. So there's no point in showcasing them.
Okay.